That 17-digit code on your Silverado's dashboard? It's not just a serial number, it's a complete fingerprint of your truck. And 99% of owners don't know how to read it. This VIN hides information worth thousands of dollars. Where it was built, when it was built, even the exact engine. I'll teach you how to decode the most important digits, and when I'm done, you'll know more about your Silverado than the dealership. Subscribe now. This could save you from buying the wrong truck. Every GM 900 Silverado has a 17-character VIN. Each character tells a specific story. It's GM engineering code that reveals everything about how your truck was built. I'm breaking down the most critical positions, and at the end, the one digit that can detect fraud instantly. If you own a Silverado, comment VIN now. First three digits, manufacturer and origin. 1GC equals GM, truck, United States. 2GC equals GM, truck, Canada. Why this matters? Trucks built in US versus Canada can have specification differences, components from different suppliers. A used truck buyer told me, I always check the first three. Flint, Michigan trucks tend to have better quality control in the GM 900 era. If you're buying used, check where it was built. Digit 8. Engine. This is critical. M equals 4.8-liter V8. J equals 5.3-liter V8 standard. T equals 5.3-liter flex fuel. K equals 6.0-liter V8. Why massively important? Sellers lie about engines. It's a 5.3, but VIN reveals 4.8. A mechanic told me, customer paid 5.3 price, VIN revealed 4.8, saved $3,000. Always check digit 8 before buying. Digit 9, security check digit. This is genius from GM. Digit 9 is mathematically calculated from the other 16 digits. If someone tampers with a VIN, digit 9 won't match. There are free online calculators. Enter your VIN, verify if digit 9 is valid. Doesn't match? VIN has been tampered. Truck could be stolen, rebuilt, or cloned. An insurance investigator told me, digit 9 saved me from stolen trucks 3 times. Takes 10 seconds. Free fraud protection built into your VIN. Digit 10, model year. 7 is 2007, 9 is 2009, B is 2011, D is 2013. Letters? Yes. GM uses numbers, then letters A through Y. Why this matters? Sellers lie about year. It's a 2011. VIN shows 9 equals 2009. You pay 2011 price for 2009, lose $2,000 to $3,000. Always confirm model year before negotiating. Digit 11, assembly plant. F is Flint, R is Arlington, O is Oshawa, Ontario. Different factories, different quality reputations. Flint has reputation for best GM 900 quality control. Arlington also excellent. A collector told me, I only buy Flint or Arlington. Reliability data proves difference. If choosing between identical trucks, check digit 11. Which factory built yours? Comment Flint or Arlington. Your VIN isn't just a number, it's a complete birth certificate for your Silverado. Origin, engine, year, factory, built-in fraud detector. 18 seconds reading a VIN can save thousands in fraud. Which digit surprised you most? Comment the number. Want tutorials showing how to verify digit 9 online? Comment check digit. Like if this gave you power over your truck. Share with anyone buying used Silverado. Subscribe. Next video, the one modification every Silverado owner should make. Your VIN tells the real story. Now you know how to read it. See you next, Silverado family.